The system automatically calculates TDS based on each employee's projected yearly income. However, in certain cases, employee may request to increase or reduce the TDS deduction. Then you can override the calculated values directly into the system. There are two ways to override the TDS values. Manually, you can override the TDS after processing the salaries, or you can import the TDS values using the Excel sheet. To override manually, first make sure the salary has been processed for that month in which you are going to update the TDS amount. To override, go to Payroll, Advanced option, IT and Form 16, and then Employee IT Summary. Select the month and employees whose TDS you want to adjust. Update the TDS values as needed and then click on Save. To import the TDS values using Excel sheet, go to Import from Excel. Here, select the template as the Import Employee TDS. Click on File Format to download the Excel template. In the Excel sheet, fill all the details like employee code, employee name, and final deductible TDS amount. Once this file is ready, return to the same window to import the sheet. Here, select the month for which you want to import the data. Choose the Excel file and then click on Import. After importing the TDS value, you do not need to reprocess the salary again. You can directly generate and check the salary reports.